Welcome to the Dotstore channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to set up product recommendations quiz in your WooCommerce store. By creating a product recommendation quiz with our plugin, you can simplify your customers' shopping experience. By answering a few simple questions, your customers will receive personalized product recommendations tailored to their preferences. This saves time and ensures they get the perfect products that fit their needs, enhancing their overall shopping experience. This sounds interesting, right? Let's see how you can set up this type of product recommendation quiz in your WooCommerce store with our plugin. Let's get started. First, install and activate our plugin on your WooCommerce store, then go to the Manage Wizard Settings page from the plugin settings. Here, you can configure the number of wizards you want. To create a new wizard, scroll up and just click on this Add New Wizard button. For this example, we have already created one product recommendation quiz, or wizard, so let's edit this wizard by clicking here. You can see all the configuration settings here. First, enter your wizard title. Then, select the category you want to display in your results. For example, if you want to display products from the clothing or any other category in your questionnaire results, select that clothing or any other category from here. You can also select a tag if you want results from specific tags from here, or leave it empty. You will see a shortcode to display this wizard on any page you choose. Copy this shortcode and paste it on the desired page to add this product quiz. Ensure this status toggle is enabled to activate this wizard. Next, you have the price range status option. You can enable or disable using this toggle. If enabled, you can set a minimum and maximum price range so customers can filter results based on price after completing the quiz. Enter the minimum and maximum amounts, then click on this Update button to save the settings. Now, scroll down to the bottom to find a section where you can set up multiple questions for this quiz. To add new questions, click on the Add New Questions button and configure the settings. As you can see, I have already created several questions here. For this example, we have a gym clothing store, so we have tailored these questions accordingly. Let's edit the first question by clicking on it. This will bring up the configuration settings for the question. First, enter the question title. For example, are you looking for top clothes or bottom clothes? Next, select the question type as either a radio button or checkbox. If you want to allow customers to select only one option, choose the radio button. If you want customers to select multiple options, choose the checkbox. For this question, we need only one selection, so we have chosen the radio button. Below this question, you will find in configuration to set up multiple options. To add new option, just click on this Add New Option button. For example, since our question is, are you looking for top clothes or bottom clothes, we have added two options, top clothes and bottom clothes. You can add more options by clicking the button. Clicking on an option, such as top clothes, will expand the settings for further configuration. Let's scroll down to Configure Settings. In the settings, first you will find in field to enter the option title that you want. For example, top clothes. And then optionally upload an image by clicking on this Upload File button for this option if you want. Now, this attribute name and its values are important fields to select for this quiz. For example, we have selected attribute name as clothes type and value as top clothes. Here is a useful feature called Next Question. If you want to display a specific follow-up question based on the customer selection. For example, if customer choose this top clothes option, then display specific question. So, you can select that next question from the list. Before moving further, let me clarify a few things. Attribute name and value are important fields to select. If you are unsure about the attribute name and value, let me explain this. Let's scroll up and go to the Products Attributes page. Here you can see all the attributes that you have created for your products. In our example, we have selected the clothes type attribute. So, let's edit it. Here you can see both attributes value that we have set up as options in our quiz. The last count column showcases the count of assigned products to this attribute. This can be used for the product filtering process. Now, let's go back to our configuration page. Once all configurations are done, click this Update button to save the settings. After completing your product recommendation quiz settings, visit the Manage Wizard settings page again. In the action bar of your created quiz section, you'll find a settings icon. Click on it to access options to personalize your product recommendation quiz based on your preferences. Here, you can customize various elements, such as different titles for top products listing and other text of quiz results. Set numbers to display attributes per products. For example, 5. You can also manage to display number of products in results per page. For example, 5. Similarly, there are multiple settings available here to personalize the quiz results. You can also customize the colors for different sections here. You have the option to choose from multiple colors to customize the quiz design. Additionally, there are various text customization options available here. Now, this is also a very good feature we have. Here you can manage different products' data to hide and show in quiz results, such as product titles, thumbnails, and attributes. You can toggle these options on and off as needed. After configuring these settings, click the Save button to save all the data. Now let's see how our product recommendation quiz looks on the front end. First, visit the page where you have set up the recommendation quiz shortcode. I have set up this quiz on this page and enabled the product recommendation quiz. Let's start the product recommendation quiz to see how it works. The first question is, are you looking for top clothes or bottom clothes? Let's select an option and click on the Next button. Now, we have the second question here in our quiz. Before we check our further questions, let me show some more features. Here, you can see the progress bar at the top. You can also restart the quiz if you want by clicking the Restart button. Or go back to the previous question by clicking this Back button. Now, let's proceed with the next question. Our next question is, what material do you prefer for your clothing? Let's select options like cotton and fleece and click on the Next button. Continue this same process for all the questions until you reach the last question. Let's quickly review all the questions and select preferred answers and move forward to the last question. We are almost there. So, yes, we have reached the last question of the quiz. Our last question is, where will you mostly use this product? So, let's select the first, Indoor, option and then click on the Show Result button. The results will display at the bottom, showing all products that match your selections from the quiz. As you can see the list of products that matched with our selected options from the quiz. Now, let's scroll up again and let me show you one more feature. As we've enabled the price filtering option, you can use this price range bar to filter product results based on specific price ranges. For example, let me select a price range between $0 and $32 and see the results. So yes, as you can see, we have products within our selected price range in the results. If you increase the price range, then it will display products accordingly in the quiz results. Let's scroll down to see all the products. All the products are displayed within our selected price range. So yes, this is how our product recommendation quiz works on the front end. For premium plugins, visit the Dotstore.com. To test the plugin, click on the link below given in the description. For WooCommerce tutorials and guides, subscribe to the Dotstore channel. Thank you for watching.